Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. I've done a lot of videos on the blend tool, but never this far. I've never done what I'm going to do now. I'm going to call this blend with a twist. So whenever you're doing the blend, and first of all, I'm using somebody else's file, so I'm going to double click and change his pen. I'm going to hit F12 and change this to a red hairline because he was using a different color. So I'm going to draw a line. He's still got the different color. I'm going to make that one red by right clicking. I'm going to hit the plus key on the keyboard. I'm going to move this one over. Now you want to do that so this way, if you ever have problems, your node, this is going downhill, this one's going downhill. So if you drew the two lines, you might accidentally draw one up and then you've got into problem. We're going to go to effects and blend, and we're going to blend them 250 times. Now, I've done plenty of videos on the blend, but I just thought I'd add, if you grab the last one and you can make it yellow by right clicking, you could actually grab this one and make it that gold. I'm going to try this deep purple. No, well, I like red and yellow. Now, if we grab this last line of the blend, our original blend, and we rotate it, it just gives us a square corner because it's a square line. But if we grab it with the shape tool and select it both, right click and turn it into a curve, then when we do something, it gives us a different shape. Now that's cool within itself, but instead of duplicating it or copying it, I'm going to go to edit and clone it, grabbing the two-sided arrow and with the control button. So now I have that. So that's cool within itself. But watch what happens now when we use the tool. So that this is our control blend. And now we're going to grab with the shape tool the last line and add a node. And watch what happens when we put a twist on it. It does it on both sides. And you can move it down. Probably don't want it off that. But you could add another node and use a blend. And look what it's doing. If we bring this a little bit more down, you're getting like folds. That's pretty cool. So give that a try. See, he even uses a gray fill, which would bug me. Or back a page, and the black really makes it stand out. Anyway, I hope that helped just a little bit, and thank you for watching.